Istikharah prayer, a summary. What is Istikharah? Istikharah means seeking guidance from Allah when one is uncertain about a decision. Is Istikharah Sunnah? Yes, Istikharah is Sunnah, as taught by the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. How to perform Istikharah. Perform wudu, ablution. Pray 2 rak'ahs of non-obligatory prayer. After the prayer, recite the Istikharah dua. Translation: O Allah, I seek your guidance in making a choice by virtue of your knowledge, and I seek ability by virtue of your power, and I ask you of your great bounty. You have power, I have none, and you know, I know not. You are the knower of hidden things. O Allah, if in your knowledge this matter, mention the matter, is good for me both in this world and in the hereafter, or in my religion, my livelihood, and my affairs, then ordain it for me, make it easy for me, and bless it for me. And if in your knowledge it is bad for me and for my religion, my livelihood, and my affairs, or for me both in this world and the next, then turn me away from it, and turn it away from me, and ordain for me the good wherever it may be, and make me pleased with it. Benefits of Istikharah. Seeking Allah's guidance ensures the best outcome for your decision. Shows submission and trust in Allah's wisdom and power. When to pray Istikharah. When unsure about permissible or recommended actions. Not required for obligatory, forbidden, or disliked actions. Reciting dua. It is recommended to recite the dua after the prayer, but it can be done before or after the salam. Recitation in Istikharah prayer. The Hanafis, Malikis, and Shafi'is recommend reciting Qul ya ayyuhal kafirun in the first rak'ah and Qul huwa Allahu ahad in the second. Key points. Consult sincere and knowledgeable people before making the decision. Perform Istikharah with an open mind, without a predetermined choice. Conclusion: Istikharah prayer is a powerful tool for seeking Allah's guidance in making the right decisions in life. By performing Istikharah, you place your trust in Allah, seeking His wisdom and blessings for the best outcome.